My name is Sebastian Suazo. I'm a 22-year-old drummer from New Jersey, and I have been playing drums for roughly around 8 to 9 years. I play in 2 bands currently. The first band is called Young and Doomed, and my other band is called The Lion, the Lamb. On top of that, I do some side work, and I try and take up gigs and whatever I can drum related on the side. My choice of sticks is the 5B Reach series. These sticks are awesome, and let's get into that. The first thing I like about these sticks is the design of it. The arrow on it, it's something so simple but so cool. I love when I play gigs and photographers take pictures of me and you can see the red arrow just going across the stick. I think it's so simple yet so awesome. Another thing that I like about these is I love how much length the Reach series actually adds to the sticks. I've played lots of different sticks that claim they add length to it, and I've just felt that it's never been enough, but these sticks from right out of the pack, they've felt perfect in length. I used to do marching band and I used to play snare drum, and those snare drum sticks are so thick and so long that I've grown accustomed to just having long sticks, and these sticks are the next best thing right behind the kit. The last thing I like about these is how extremely durable these sticks are. You can see how much work I put into these sticks. These sticks have lasted me well over a year. These have been my go-to pair of sticks. I played every single gig I've had with these pair of sticks, and they're still going strong. They never fail to surprise me behind the kit because I do play hard, and these sticks can just take it. What you're about to see next is me play a playthrough of a song from the band Young and Doomed called What Could Be Worse.